Ik doe weer even mijn food-dansje. Ik
means I, pronounced
ik
with a short
I
sound as in it, and a soft k sound. It's the first person singular pronoun in Dutch.
doe,
Means do, pronounced
do,
with a long
o,
sound similar to the oo in moon. It's the first person singular present tense form of the verb
doen,
to do.
weer,
Means again, pronounced
vair,
with a short
a,
as in apple, and a soft r. It indicates repetition of an action.
even,
Means for a little while, or briefly. Pronounced
eh-vuhn,
with a short
e,
as in egg, and a short u as in up. It implies a short duration of the action.
mijn,
Means my, pronounced
mijn,
with a long
y,
sound. It's the possessive pronoun indicating ownership.
food-dansje,
Means food dance, pronounced
food-dahn-shuh, food,
is pronounced as in English, and dansje is a diminutive of dans, dance, adding a sense of lightheartedness or playfulness to the action. The word implies a playful dance related to food. Putting it together,
ik doe weer even mijn food-dansje.
Means I'm doing my food dance again for a little while, or I'm doing my little food dance again. It suggests a playful or light-hearted action related to food that is being repeated briefly.